It's a peaceful thing watching birds go about their business, living their own lives, going about their daily routines, starting families, growing, and sharing the same space as others. The birds of Britain are diverse, and while a few take the limelight, many go unnoticed. Two lakes supporting an abundance of life, both below the surface and above. Many of these birds thrive in the aquatic vegetation, and other offerings from the lake, and even humans. Some, like the great crested grebe, hunt below, catching small fish and other aquatic creatures. This bird adopts its name from the ballerina-like crest it forms around its neck, but what you're seeing right now is winter plumage. The great crested grebe only supports its incredible crest in the warmer months of the year, the months more suited to mating. One of Britain's more loved and better known birds is the common mallard. But while being the most popular and prolific duck here in the UK, the common mallard isn't the only duck Britain has to offer. Poachers frequent many of Britain's waterways, very much resembling the body build of a mallard, but with vastly different colour and pattern variation, whereas the females are almost entirely brown. Another close relative, although less commonly seen, is the tufted duck. Down here in the south of England, geese have settled in and set their roots in almost every freshwater area they can find. A hardy and well-traversed species. This common goose is known as the Canadian goose, known for their attitudes, unwillingness to back down, and determination to steal and ransack people's picnics. But unbeknown to some, the Canadian goose isn't the only goose settled in Britain. If you travel to areas much further north, you'll see far fewer Canadian geese, and a much larger population of Egyptian geese. Some commonly seen birds even become mistaken for others. This Eurasian coot, easily mistaken for a moorhen. Eurasian coots are often seen inhabiting the same space as the common mallard. They build their nests in shallow water near the water's edge, sometimes on fallen trees or protruding rocks. The parents become very aggressive and protective over their young, who start life with red and yellow hair-like strands. Our waterways host some of the most incredible and unique species. Birds adapted to a very different kind of life, a life challenging them to a whole new host of predators, threats, and obstacles to overcome. And there's many more we haven't seen today. It's a different life out there on the water. A life that comes in many different shapes, sizes, and variations for different ways of living. Birds on the water truly make for some remarkable creatures. And I hope I continue to learn more about these animals, to notice more of those that hide in plain sight, and to appreciate the ones that go unnoticed, and to further display the life our water holds.